Hi, Eamon here, Infrared Heating Ireland. I'm here with one of our clients, John. John is based down here in Crosshaven in Cork, and maybe tell us, John, about what you took on a big project here, revamping an existing property. And
Yeah, look, it's all about location. This house is in a beautiful location. It faces north. It's right on the water. The house was built 25 years ago, and I fell in love with the location. Really, I like the aspect. It's a very private road.
yes,
It's quiet. It's peaceful. I've changed the house slightly. I've added more windows to the house, and in doing so, I lost quite a bit of wall space.
yeah, and we'll add in some pictures. But John has kindly given me some of his time just to discuss the project we've done here and the work we've done with John. We've installed this full house with infrared. So I think, what is it, over a year ago? How did you find out about infrared, or did you have knowledge of it before?
I was familiar with it. It's a very low profile. It's a non-intrusive way of heating a house. It works well in this type of house. The house I was remodeling, the end product I knew would be very well suited to it. I was short of wall space, so I wanted a heat source that was not hanging off the wall. I like the thermal efficiency of them. I like the low profile. I've had a lot of, I wasn't expecting the lot of feedback from people walking into the house, how attractive they find the panels in the roof.
Okay.
Very quickly you stop seeing them, but I actually had people comment on how attractive they are.
Yeah, they blend in very well, and I've just angled the camera here so you can see the panels as they sit on the ceiling. So, and I'll add in more images. How did you originally hear about infrared, or how did you come across?
The Scandinavians use it widely. The Northern Europeans use it widely. I've been in homes before. I've been in libraries and hospitals where they've used it,
Yes.
and they speak very highly of it.
Yes.
So I understand the principles of how the electricity is produced, how the heat source is produced. I like the fact it's highly controllable, very wide dynamic range for the heaters.
So we would have come in, we would have originally looked at each room, the ceiling height. I know we've vaulted ceilings here, they weren't a challenge. We just have to increase the level of heat into the room because of the high ceiling. So we would have put a spec together for John. Then as we moved it on, we would have come out and met the builder and met John, and we would have done a complete survey. And throughout the project, we would have worked with the electrician, the builder, and made sure everything was as we had agreed. And location of the heaters is very important to maximize the heat output. John mentioned as well about the controllability. So each room has its own control pad that will control the heat in that room. So depending on orientation of the house, north-facing rooms, etc., they may require an extra heat. The insulation, yes, is very important, and that'll be seen in the energy costs. So we'll add in some images, but a lot of people we deal with, John, maybe are not that familiar with infrared.
Sure.
So what would you say to somebody maybe considering it as a heat source?
Well, look, think of it as sunlight. Really, it feels like sunlight. It's very pleasant. It's a non-intrusive form of heat. It's very safe. It's very low profile. There's no moving parts. There's no sound.
No maintenance.
And there's no maintenance either.
Yeah.
So, it's a very easy to use source of heat. It'll grow in popularity, I have no doubt.
You mentioned aesthetics. That is also very important, because you'll notice that the panel it's a flat, matte finished with a chemical-free, actually powder-coated finish. So that when John mentioned that people come in now and they look at the panel, that it doesn't look out of place. It looks like that it is a design element to the room as well, because of how they sit on the ceiling.
Yeah, and we chose the color palette for the color palette for the house is chosen very carefully. We've a lot of wood in the house. The floors are oak, so we wanted to pick color. The color palette on the wall and the ceilings was chosen for a particular reason, and it's very sympathetic to the panels.
Yes, very good. So again, thanks for your time. Is there anything else? We'll finish up now, but is there anything else maybe that you found during the whole process of installing infrared?
Well, I found you very easy to work with. I found you very responsive. I found the builder found you easy to communicate with. It went very well. You did what you said you'd do. The panels arrived on time. They were installed. The electrician found them easy to install. The operating instructions were simple to set up.
Yes.
So it's been a pleasure so far.
Okay. Well, listen, John, thanks again for your time. I know you're busy, and do check out our website, infraredheat.ie.